Beside the sea. Listen. Waves lapping the shore. Where could you be? Yes, you're at the seaside, relaxing on the beach, with the big blue ocean there ahead of you. You feel the soft sand between your toes, which tickles as you wiggle them. The sun beams down from a clear blue sky. There's a warm, gentle breeze. Lush palm trees sway. The leaves make a shimmery sound in the wind. You hear the sound of seagulls as they swoop and fly around the sparkling white cliffs, rising high above the beach. You like being here, beside the sea, listening to the waves, the birds, the palm trees, feeling the breeze and the warmth of the sun on your face. It makes you feel so happy and relaxed. Yes, this is a happy, peaceful place to be, where you feel so safe and easy. Out on the ocean, a little boat glides along. Its white sails billowing, full and plump with the wind inside them. Bobbing about near the shoreline is an adventurous soul paddling out on a paddleboard. That looks like fun. You enjoy watching how they kneel on the board to balance over the wobbly waves. And you can hear the plop, poppity plop of the paddle entering the water with each stroke. You feel a yawn coming on and let it happen, enjoying the stretch. A seaside snooze is just what you feel like. Your beach shack beckons. A little hut with a hammock swaying on the balcony, full of the squishiest pillows and cushions for you to sink into. And so you do, flopping down into the softness, your head sinking back onto the pillow. Still you hear the sound of the ocean waves, now lulling you. The breeze making your hammock swing, tick-tock, tick-tock, to and fro. You relax your shoulders down, your arms, all the way down to your fingertips. Your chest and tummy relaxes. And now your legs, all the way down to your toes. You let your head relax, your face and jaw. Can you relax your tongue? Let it drop down in your mouth. There. Your breathing joins with the lapping waves, in and out, in and out, in and out. And you begin to drift, drifting away into the sea of sleep and slumber. The sounds taking you to your dreams. Happy, peaceful, soothing dreams.